drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast.
Ever.
Nando's or
You? So
We are
many
going
things.
to all of them. Hi, we are here. I'm so tired.
We're at Harry Smith.
So
Closer to Harry Smith.
we're at Harris Smith.
Backview.
Yeah.
Then turn left.
Oh, where do
Siri
we
is
open there?
upset.
Wait.
There, under there.
Please.
Yeah.
upset.
Is it the one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see
Can you start the vlog? Start the vlog.
Did you see the dog?
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog.
You need to introduce the whole vlog. Like, what is this vlog? What are we doing right now?
Let me not even say today's vlog. This weekend's vlog is a trip to Durban. So right now we stopped. Where are we at?
And
Harry
fake
Smith.
news.
No. Is that Harry Smith or
Total
Bellevue?
commotion.
Harry Smith or Bellevue, wherever we
Harry
are.
Smith in the Backview garage. Backview stop.
Yeah, please. That's what
Yeah.
And
So we are at the
this is
Backview
my
stop.
new bag because it's new.
Okay. It's so cute.
Yeah, thanks.
I love your bag.
So I love Wimpy and Fisher Waist by the both same time.
Okay. I love them both too. So yeah. We have about 3 more hours, ne?
Yeah. 3 more hours.
3 more hours.
3 hours and
Money.
30 minutes.
Oh, we wanna go to. There's a car behind you guys.
Roughly 3 hours and 30 minutes.
We have about 3 hours and then we will be in Durban. We are at the Protea Hotel in Umhlanga.
Yeah.
So yeah. Gonna see you later.
People say I drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. People say I drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no
First meal of the trip done.
such thing as too fast. Living at the speed of light, like a bullet. I could be there by the morning. I can't call it.
We are in Durban. Where it was filled.
Feel it.
And I ain't got too many options. Too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too
Oh my god, it's actually so pretty. It really is so pretty. Look at this. Really, literally the most gorgeous place.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is.
Hi y'all, we just arrived and I want to give you guys like a mini room tour. So, wait, where do I start? Let me start here. When you enter, you have this like a bench situation. It's got drawers as well where you can put your stuff, and it has this big mirror which is cute, and it also works as like extra wardrobe space. And this is the bathroom on your right. You have this beautiful shower, and then you have another mirror as well. You've got the toilet over here, cute little basin, and we also have a bathtub. Cute, huh? So yeah, that's how the bathroom is looking. And then when you leave, this is what the room looks like. We have two, what are these, double beds? Yeah. And closet space over there, TV, more drawers, space, masana. And yeah, that's it. Another mirror here, like a table and chair. Cute. Yeah, so we are just going to head out now. We want to go take a walk by the beach. We also have a hairdryer, just in case I need it. That's great. Yeah, so we're gonna go take a walk outside a little bit, and then we'll see what we're doing. Okay, let's go.
Baby boy, you are so damn fine. Baby boy, won't you be mine? Baby boy, let's come see the angel. Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Baby boy, you are so damn fine. Baby boy, won't you be mine? Baby boy, let's come see the angel.
Can you smell the beach? Roro, you made it to the beach. First time at the beach. How was your first time seeing the ocean?
It's good. It's very, very nice.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
We made it to the beach. Oh, here's a shell. We finally made it to the beach. Obviously we're in Umhlanga, so we are by the rocky part of the beach. Oh, go Roro. It's Roro's first time at the beach. Go. Go. You got this, babe. Go closer. Go closer. Closer. Murifa, don't run. Wait here. It's coming. Are you afraid of the water already?
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up.
Good morning, you guys. I'm wearing, I'm not completely naked. Good morning. It's our first full day in Durban. Yeah. It's our first full day in Durban. It is, I think it's actually now 10 to 8, which means I am very, very, very late. It usually takes me more than 30 minutes to get ready at this rate. But yeah, we are gonna have breakfast at 8 o'clock. We agreed that we're having breakfast at 8, and I'm just getting ready. But I am so excited. If you know me, you know I'm very much excited for the breakfast. It's a buffet breakfast. I can't wait to have and have and have and have and have. So yeah. So it's actually so hot. Yeah. I guess we're doing my skincare routine. I use this Garnier serums. There's the AHA and BHA charcoal serum. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. And I also have the vitamin C serum. Sometimes I use both of them. Sometimes I just use one. Honestly, I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to do this. If I use both of them at the same time, if I have to use one. But anyways, let's get ready. This is most important.
But you can't be
Are you coming ready?
Huh?
Eh? We're having our food. I got my pancake with chocolate and syrup. And I've got some bacon, eggs, fish pop, a sausage. And I'm also having a mocha.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else like you do. That's why I'm in love with you. I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on.
How is it? You said what?
It's making me cry.
It's making you cry.
Making me cry.
Too good.
This beauty. It is a beauty. A beauty fish. The beauty.
Melon and pineapple, some yogurt. What do you have in there?
Nice rehearsal.
It's a nice what?
Rehearsal.
Rehearsal for what? Oh wow. Masada's having dessert.
For this new episode.
Okay. Breakfast was too good.
But
Full. What's wrong?
it was disappointing
Why was it disappointing?
because of the service. We were lying to you.
Yeah, we paid for. Well, when we booked the room, we booked with breakfast. But the lady that helped us yesterday somehow booked us into a room without breakfast. Not into a room, booked us without breakfast. And now we have to pay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Just at the pharmacy getting something. But here's what happened. Here's the story. We booked rooms with breakfast. Yesterday, the lady was trying to make us like see if we want to switch rooms to put us in one big room together, but then we ended up choosing 2 rooms. But now we don't have breakfast included. But the thing is, when my aunt was busy booking the rooms, she asked the lady, do we have breakfast included? She said yes. She said, because we want breakfast included. She said yes, everything is included. Today when we get down to the breakfast section place, room number, we give them our room numbers. She's like, oh no, you guys don't have breakfast included. We have to pay for breakfast.
Yes.
Hey Johnny. But anyways, we want to eat. We pay, we go eat. Now it's time to go sort things out. When we get to the reception area, Wari, no, you guys don't have breakfast included. The rate that you're paying doesn't include breakfast. What? Whoever helped you yesterday didn't include breakfast. But then what can we say? It is what it is now. It's either we earn money for breakfast or we go to other breakfast places. That's the dilemma. But now I'm gonna get ready for the beach. Let's go get away. Have a drink.
This is a very nice room.
Back in the room. Our room got clean. How beautiful. The room is so pretty. I can't get over it. But anyways, we need to get ready for the beach. Let's go to the beach, bitch. Let's go get away. What am I gonna wear?
Where is Malito?
Beach time.
Beach time.
Beach time.
Beach time.
Beach day.
Beach day.
Not even beach time, beach day.
Yes, they are. He doesn't find anything that he likes. We're at the store. We're actually looking for hats, but we didn't find hats. This is what I'm looking like. I already look burnt. But anyways, oh, here's another formula. I'm wearing this blue piece that I found on Shein. I do not have shoes though. I think I should get flip. Where did you find it?
In my pocket.
Nice. Well, maybe I should buy clocks, but I don't think I need them. That's so cute. Just a man and his dog on the beach. That is so cute. Flip it fast.
I'm trying to make a bunny again. Oops. I made it fit.
It's not coming. Is it too wet? Yes, it's coming. No. This one does not pass the building inspection. And it's so close to the beach, eh?
Yeah. I just there.
We're looking for snacks.
There, watching over the sea. Like people that are in the
Slash.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this that you feel like summer. I feel like summer.
What? I just need 12 million rand. Because this needs to be my life every day. Ah? It's so nice. Like you can just sit here, watch the ocean. Maybe they came down. No, like I feel like I would be here. And I'm sure no one pool. But people are not here. They're not interested. They're probably inside in a business meeting or something.
You also have a pool when you stay, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. When we
My
get
family
home,
actually
we
has
must
Check.
go around, go by the pool,
Yeah.
take more photos,
Actually swim.
and actually swim.
There's a wimpy.
You can come and have breakfast here.
every morning. Why not? I don't know.
But so far so good. Good is nice. Come on, Ndaela.
Yeah. But there's a wimpy. You can come and have breakfast there every morning.
Yeah, since they didn't give us breakfast,
Since they didn't give us the break.
and breakfast at Wimpy is 8 rand.
I mean,
We might as well. Oh, look at our skin.
loving the sea water.
See a glower.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this that you feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer. You can feel it in the streets on a day like this that I feel like summer.
We just got back. Ooh. What? Do I look darker? Just got back in the room. We're gonna change. Well, shower and change. And then we're gonna go check out the pool by us. And then yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what we do. But yeah, fun times. Fun times. Ooh, here's a mirror. But this is cute. It actually belongs to my aunt.
What?
This cover up.
It's not yours.
Chaman, you know, she gave it to me when I came to Durban last year and I just kept it. I basically never gave it back, but she said it's,
Go shower or
she said it's fine. I'm gonna go shower because I'm probably gonna take the longest. And then when I finish you can shower and then I'll be getting dressed. Okay, let me charge my phone. Alright, ready? I'm wearing this nice dress. I got this dress at Mr. Price. So it's got buttons and then you can... Ah! Ah! Slit! Yes. Lovely. Okay, let's go. Boop, 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 boop. The pool, the pool. Oh, is that it? Is that it?
This is the pool.
Baby, I like your style. Yeah, grips on your waist, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets unsafe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray, and that's why I need a one dance. Got an Hennessy in my hands. One more time before I go. style. Yeah, strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. Yeah, I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as your city text reply me, I don't wanna spend time fighting. We've got no time, and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hands. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hands. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. 'Cause baby, I like your style. Oh, oh, yeah. Got a pretty girl that she love me long time. Yeah, whine it, very long time. Oh, oh. Like back up and whine it. Back up and whine it. Back up and whine it, girl. Oh, oh, oh. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hands. One more time.
Roro is so full and they have given her an extra ice cream just because.
Just for being yourself.
Oh wow. And she's full.
I like your style. Oh, oh, yeah. Got a pretty girl that she love me long time. Yeah, whine it, very long time. Oh, oh. Like back up and whine it. Back up and whine it. Back up and whine it, girl. Oh, oh, oh. I need a one day.
Everybody. Just got back to the hotel. Dinner was great. We actually ended up having to run back. Well, not really run, like walk fast back to the hotel because it started drizzling and we wanted to make it here before it really starts to pour. But anyways, we had fun. I treated the family out for dinner. It was cute, it was nice. We went to Doppio Zero. I had my knee and I had the steak with the bone marrow, which anyways, it was good, but like, what is bone marrow, guys? Like, asma from Rambo. Anyways, it was good. Masana had the burger, Roro had the pizza, which you couldn't finish still. But yeah, we had a good time. So the plan now is I still need to finish a video that I was editing. I'm actually editing the video where Roro and I are alone in the house for a week. But yeah, I need to finish that. And then, I don't know, I think I'm just gonna chill. I am on holiday, so not too much work. And yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else we're doing for tonight. We're not going out, we're not doing anything. We're just literally going to chill. Tomorrow we're going to Ushaka. We're gonna have breakfast at Wimpy or Magan Bean. I don't remember, but we're gonna go to Ushaka. And then we'll see where the day takes us from there. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. See you guys tomorrow or when I do something. Bye. Good morning. Let me close this window. Morning. Today's Sunday. And we're supposed to be doing Ushaka. Oh, this lighting is great. We're supposed to be doing Ushaka today. I'm not supposed to be doing. We're doing Ushaka today. The weather's a little bit. Am I underdressed for this weather? Maybe. Do I have anything else to wear? No. So we're just gonna brave it, you know. We'll be fine. It's Durban. It's not that cold. I mean, it's warm at best. So, but if it gets cold, I do have a jacket, so I'll be fine. But yeah, morning. We're up. I'm actually upset. I ate my ice cream last night. But anyways, that's it. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish getting ready and then we're gonna go. We're supposed to go for breakfast at 8. We're gonna go to Wimpy because obviously the breakfast situation at the hotel, we decided, you know what, we'll just go out to eat breakfast. But yeah, someone's gonna get me tapioca. Let me finish getting ready and then we'll go.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking to together, cause we don't know how. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes the exception. So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why,
We are fed. Now it's time to go see the fish.
oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes.
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet, sweet, sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Trying to come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't know.
Starfish, starfish.
Look at your mom, bro. You see your mom on this side.
Though.
There's fishes.
Look at
This
these
hurts my eyes.
nuts.
Got some starfish, starfish,
Look who's hiding.
starfish.
There's someone hiding in here.
Where?
In this rock. There's a fish hiding in this rock.
Where is? Oh, I see.
Let's make love in the summertime. On the sands, beach sands, make plans to be in each other's arms.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Aww.
And remember, the future of the oceans is in your hands. Okay, I'll make-
So blue. I need to take my time right now to show you something real. I've been all in my phone, I got options.
We need to finish that.
And get sick too. And then I don't attend to you.
That makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late.
The goal is over. Imina. We're at Moses Mabita. My iPhone is so full. I've been deleting videos and stuff, but anyways, Moses Mabita. I don't know if you can see it. It's closed, so I can't even do the jump.
Hi, we are at Moses Mabiro. Came late, but yeah.
We are here still. There is the home of the Sharks. If you don't know, my brother is a rugby player. Future Sharks member.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today's the 2nd of October. It is our last morning here. I am so tired. I think I still want to go back to sleep. See, my face is even puffed up. I look like a puffer fish. But yeah, it's the last morning here. I'm packing, and then I'm gonna go shower, and then I'm gonna pack up the things that I didn't pack up, and then we're gonna go pack our bags in the car, go back to the beach, but like not beach, just talk by the beach and stuff like that, and then we're gonna have breakfast, and then we'll see. I think we're gonna leave here around 12 or 1. It's 8:30 now, but yeah, the trip was so good. I had so much fun. We ate. I ate a lot. You know, when you can feel your body is heavier, you know, I don't know, maybe it's just the water retention because we're in Durban. But anyway, yeah, that's what's happening. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog so far. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let me fix my posture. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope I get to travel soon, have more experiences. Sleeping in the background. But yeah, I had so much fun, and I'm so happy, and I'm so thankful to my aunt for taking her little babies on a trip. For taking her little babies on a trip. Being a mother, I tried to take them out for dinner one night, and I was like, ooh, imagine this for 4 days, and breakfast and lunch. Mothers do the most. But yeah, thanks to my aunts, we had so much fun. Roro had so much fun, but the beach was my first time seeing the beach. And I had so much fun. He was like inside the ocean. He didn't want to come out. But yeah, The hotel is great. The view is great. I mean, except for the whole mix-up of the breakfast situation, the hotel was great. The hotel is beautiful. Oh, also the pool deck, a little questionable, but you know what? If the children are going, it's fine. The pool deck is not so grand. It's really small. But other than that, the service is great. The breakfast was great. You know, beautiful. We had a nice time. It's been 3 minutes. Let me stop talking. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna finish packing. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna go do breakfast. And this view. I'm gonna miss the view. I like the view. You?
For you, I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Guys, we're getting breakfast because the same says. Oh no, actually, can we go there by the trees? If there's no space. Oh, yes.
We're both taking vlogs.
Yes, you're also vlogging. Let's this way.
So can I sit next to you?
Yeah, you can.